Congratulations on buying one of Bud's revolutionary Bud StackRacks. Here's how to do the assembly. Carefully unpack the carton. We recommend, if you're building this on a table, that you put down cardboard or some type of protection. Sort all of the pieces, including the hardware, so you can easily find them using the legends on the instruction sheet. Install 4 clip nuts in each end of the 4 pieces of the 44-BT crossbeam, so 8 per beam. Start with the clips in the cutouts on the side. Slightly open the clip nuts so they can slide in, and be sure the thickest part of the clip nut is on the inside. Stand up the side and use the screw 7346 to attach the first crossbeam to the side using the 2 side holes first. Note each end of the crossbeam is slightly different, so you may need to flip the crossbeam to ensure it aligns properly. Repeat with all 4 crossbeams. Do not fully tighten the screws until the end of the installation. Continue to attach the crossbeam by installing all of the screws to the mounting holes in the flange. Once the 4 are installed, flip the unit so the legs are pointing into the air, attach the other side, line up the crossbeams, attach the 4 screws for each crossbeam, and now tighten all of the screws, and that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at 440-946-3200 or chat with us at www.budin.com.